Today, how to reset your Hamilton Beach Flexbrew, or at least help you troubleshoot it if it's giving you problems. If that's what you're dealing with right now, stick around because we've got a few solid fixes. Alright, first thing to know, there's actually no official reset button on the Flexbrew. If you check the manual, it doesn't mention any kind of reset option, which is kind of annoying. But don't worry, we've got a few tricks that work just as well. Start with a basic power cycle. Just turn the machine off, unplug it from the wall, and let it sit for at least 10 minutes. If you can leave it longer, like half an hour or even an hour, that's even better. After that, plug it back in and give it a try. This alone can fix random glitches or small internal bugs. Next up, do a deep clean. If you've got hard water buildup or it's just acting weird during brewing, it could be clogged. Mix equal parts white vinegar and water, pour it into the water reservoir, and let it sit for about 8 hours. Then run 2 full brew cycles to flush it through, and follow that with a couple cycles of plain water to rinse everything out. That helps clear up any mineral deposits that might be causing issues. Also, check the needle. This is super common if a K-cup broke or left behind some debris. Take off the top part of the brew head, just twist and pull gently. Use a toothpick or safety pin to poke through the needle and make sure it's clear. You can shine a flashlight through it. You should see light coming through. While you're at it, check for any broken plastic pieces or anything blocking the water flow. You can even flip the unit upside down and gently tap it to knock anything loose. And finally, if none of that works, it's time to call Hamilton Beach support. They can walk you through more advanced steps or help you out with a repair or replacement, especially if it's still under warranty.